Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to change the sound mode on your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So on your Hisense Smart TV, if you want to change or edit the sound mode, this is exactly what to do. Go over to your settings, here's mine over here, click on settings and you're going to see the option that says sound. Once you click on the sound, you're going to see sound mode. So once you click sound mode here, there are different sound modes. There are 6 of them: standard, theater, music, speech, late night, sports. Now depending on what you're watching, you can change the sound mode here. If you're watching sports, they can move on to sport. Or if it's in the night and you don't want a lot of noise, they can use the night mode. There's speech mode if you are listening to a speech or watching a movie. You can also use theater for movie, and also music is best for listening to music. So any of these 6, changing them is how you change or edit your sound mode on Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.